Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I enter the big mall early and look for shops. I check the mall map and find the clothing store. I walk through long corridors and see many bright signs. I open the shop door and look at new jackets. I choose a blue jacket and check the price tag. I try the jacket on inside the small fitting room. I look in the mirror and check the jacket size. I leave the fitting room and ask the shop assistant. I pay at the counter and get a printed receipt. I leave the clothing store and walk to the escalator. I take the escalator up and look around the floor. I see the shoe store and walk inside to browse. I check different sneakers and look for comfortable light shoes. I try the sneakers on and walk a few steps. I ask for another size and wait for the assistant. I buy the sneakers and put them into my bag. I walk to the food court and smell delicious meals. I read the menu board and choose a simple chicken meal. I pay for my lunch and take a plastic tray. I find a free table and sit near the window. I eat my lunch slowly and watch people walking nearby. I throw away my trash and clean the small table. I leave the food court and walk toward the electronics shop. I enter the electronics shop and look at phone cases. I check cheap headphones and listen to short sound samples. I ask the worker about battery life and charging cable options. I buy small earphones and put them into my backpack. I step outside again and follow signs to the bookstore. I walk into the bookstore and see many colorful shelves. I look for easy English books and choose one title. I read a few pages quietly inside the reading corner. I carry the book to the counter and pay icely. I leave the bookstore and take the elevator downstairs alone.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I see a gift shop and look at funny keychains. I check small magnets and choose a red magnet souvenir. I pay for the magnet and thank the friendly cashier. I continue walking and pass a busy children's toy shop. I look at puzzles and soft toys through the clear window. I enter the toy shop and check simple puzzle boxes. I choose a small puzzle and place it into basket. I pay for the puzzle and leave the toy shop. I walk through the mall and see a perfume store. I smell light perfume samples and choose a sweet scent. I buy the perfume and get a small free sample. I look around again and notice a big sports store. I enter the sports store and check simple water bottles. I choose a blue bottle and test the tight cap. I pay for the bottle and place this inside bag. I see a bright cosmetics shop and walk inside slowly. I check lip balm and try a small hand cream. I buy the lip balm and thank the shop assistant politely. I walk to the cafe and read the drink menu. I order a hot coffee and wait near the counter. I take the warm cup and sit at a table. I drink my coffee slowly and relax after long walking. I finish my coffee and throw away the empty cup. I check the time and decide to visit another store. I see an accessories shop and walk inside to look. I check simple bracelets and choose a silver bracelet quickly. I buy the bracelet and receive a small paper bag. I walk past many shops and look at window displays. I see a sale sign and enter the small clothing outlet. I check t-shirts and choose a soft cotton t-shirt. I try the t-shirt on and check the correct size. I buy the t-shirt and leave the outlet feeling happy. I return to the main corridor and follow large signs. I see a home decor shop and enter to look around in mall. I check candles and choose a fresh lemon candle quickly. I pay for the candle politely and thank the friendly cashier again before leaving calmly. I continue walking through the mall slowly and hear loud music playing from a fashion store. I go inside the fashion store quietly and look at colorful summer dresses displayed on racks. I check the fabric quality carefully and touch the soft material gently with my hand. I decide not to buy anything today and calmly leave the store without purchases. I walk to the central atrium slowly and look at bright decorations hanging above everyone. I take a short rest quietly while sitting on a comfortable bench near the Dream Fountain. I check my shopping bags carefully and count all purchased items to make sure everything. I stand up slowly again and walk toward the mall exit following the clear signs. I see a juice bar nearby and stop to read the simple menu displayed above. I order orange juice politely and wait patiently for my fresh drink to be prepared. I drink the juice quickly and throw away the empty plastic cup and bin. I check my phone battery level and search for a nearby charging station inside mall. I find a charging point easily and plug in my phone to charge safely. I wait a few minutes quietly and look around the hallway while people walk. I unplug my phone carefully and continue walking peacefully inside the mall toward exit. I see a music store ahead and enter to browse new albums displayed on shelves. I listen to short music samples politely and choose one CD that sounds very nice. I buy the CD quickly and place it safely inside my comfortable backpack before leaving. I pass a small kiosk selling phone accessories and drinks, but continue walking forward. I look at colorful phone cases briefly, but decide to buy nothing there today. I follow the exit sign clearly and head toward the parking area outside the mall. I take the escalator down slowly and reach the lower level near parking entrances. I walk through the hallway calmly and see large automatic glass doors opening ahead. I step outside slowly and breathe fresh air happily after finishing my long shopping. I check my bags again, carefully ensuring everything is inside safely without any missing. I walk toward the car slowly and place all shopping bags inside the trunk carefully. I sit in the car quietly and rest for a short moment before driving. I think about my day calmly and feel satisfied with all shopping I completed. I close the car door gently and start the engine calmly, preparing to leave. I leave the mall parking area slowly and drive home feeling happy about everything.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.